my name is Cathie Steve.
And I'm Steve Piacenza, and we are 6 feet apart here at one of our favorite places, Michael's.
We're here to check out the new liquid Sculpey and the new Sculpey Molds.
With the new liquid formulas and molds, you can make so many projects and jewelry designs.
Today we're going to grab a few goodies and then we're going to head back into the studio and show you all the cool things you can make.
We will be answering any questions live when this premieres, so don't forget to ask any questions and we will comment on anything you guys ask.
Steve, you ready to go get it?
Let's mask up, Kat.
We made it to the aisle. Check out all the cool new Sculpey products.
We are all ready to get creative with liquid Sculpey.
Plus, we got a lot of other fun craft products to use with our liquid Sculpey, like glitter, chalk pastels, and alcohol inks.
Liquid Sculpey comes in many colors: black, white, pearl, gold, silver, garnet metallic, navy metallic, peacock pearl, translucent amber, translucent turquoise, and translucent clear.
Sculpey has many different molds. With the jewelry mold, you can create so many styles of pendants and earrings. They also have molds in decorative shapes. And they have filigree molds.
Okay guys, let's get making. Starting at the top of the mold, squeeze the liquid Sculpey into the mold. You want to fill to the top edge. Use a toothpick to mix and fill Sculpey around the post. Bake at 275 Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. Always check the package for bake times. Once cooled, pop out.
You can also roll your liquid Sculpey to mix. This is the translucent liquid Sculpey. It's my favorite for mixing. You fill the mold the same way, but the bake time is different. Translucent Sculpey bakes at 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Without any mix-ins, the baked piece has a translucent look. You can add any color of glitter. You can use flake glitter, chunk glitter, or ultra-fine glitter. You can also use chunky AB glitter for a crystal effect.
Alcohol inks work well with translucent and pearl liquid Sculpey. Just add a few drops to your liquid Sculpey, mix, and bake.
Chalk pastels can be used to alter the color of liquid Sculpey. I like to use a plastic spoon as a mixing bowl. Just scrape a little chalk pastel into the liquid Sculpey. Mix, pour, and bake.
You can also blend colors to create unique looks. You can create stripes, dots, and marbleized looks.
The filigree molds are fun for home decor and jewelry. Just squeeze some liquid Sculpey onto the mold and use the provided squeegee to scrape off the excess. Once the filigree molds are baked, you'll get a delicate lace piece of clay.
The decorative molds are fun for crafts, embellishments, decor, and more.
Thanks for joining us today as we checked out all the new liquid Sculpey and molds at Michael's.
Bye! Have fun getting creative.